Looking to make your home feel more cozy, stylish, and organized? Here are some amazing Amazon finds that are totally worth checking out. Wall sconces. These sleek wall sconces instantly upgrade any room. They give off a warm, relaxing glow without taking up any floor space. Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain. Want to relax after a long day? This tabletop fountain adds the calming sound of flowing water and creates a peaceful vibe in seconds. LamDawn Cloud Stairs. These adorable cloud-shaped stairs are perfect for pets. They're soft, cute, and help your furry friend climb safely onto the bed or couch. Artificial silk bird of paradise. Love plants but hate watering them? This realistic bird of paradise stays green all year and instantly brightens any space. Candle warmer lamp. Enjoy your favorite candle without lighting a flame. It melts the wax evenly, fills your room with fragrance, and makes candles last longer. Key holder for wall. Never lose your keys again. This stylish wall organizer keeps your keys, mail, and small essentials all in one place. Slim digital mirror alarm clock. Minimal, modern, and super clean. It works as a mirror during the day and displays the time with a bright, easy-to-read screen. Lift top coffee table. This coffee table is smarter than it looks. Lift the top for a comfortable workspace, while hidden storage keeps your living room clutter-free. Large shag rug. Nothing beats stepping onto a soft, fluffy rug. It instantly makes any room feel warmer, cozier, and more inviting. Faux leather recliner sofa. Sit back, recline, and relax. This stylish faux leather recliner combines comfort with a modern look that's perfect for movie nights.